Hello everyone, myself Dr. Shubh Arora, Assistant Professor from Department of Commerce, GIMS Greater Noida. Once again, I welcome you all back to the lecture series of the subject Marketing Management. We are currently on the fourth unit and today is the fourth lecture. Today's topics which we'll be discussing are, we'll be talking about the meaning and definition of advertising, and we'll be also discussing the different points of what make advertising important, right? For a marketer, how advertising or the process of advertising is important and why a marketer should use advertising in its marketing activities. So let's first talk about what do we mean by advertising. Advertising is basically a way of communication, right? By giving different ads on different media platforms, the advertiser tries to communicate the messages regarding the product, the information of the product, what would be the benefits, what are the features, what is the price, what is the quantity, what are the different packs in which the product is available, at what location or in what all platforms the product will be available. So all this information is given by the advertiser in the ads by the marketer, right? So therefore advertising is a way of communicating products, the details of the products to the customers, right? Any business or organization which uses the advertising method to communicate with public regarding its brand, product or services. And advertising can also be defined as the way of capturing public attention through paid messages or information which helps the organization to promote or sell a product, right, or to promote or sell a service of a particular brand, right? Now when we see the definition given by IPA, that is Institute of Practitioners in Advertising, now IPA defines advertising as the means of providing the most persuasive possible selling message to the right prospects at the lowest possible cost, right? So basically advertising is any paid form of non-personal presentation and promotion of ideas, goods and services through different medias such as magazines, TV, newspaper, radio, right? Or any all these ads are given by an identified sponsor. Now let's move forward and talk about the importance of advertising, that is why advertising is important. So in this figure I have tried to show you 15 most important points which depict or reflect the importance of advertising. You can just have a look on these points, and in following slides we'll be discussing these points in detail. So let's start with the first point, that is crucial for a launch. So advertising is crucial for launching a product, right? So basically whenever an organization wants to launch a product in the market or wants to commercialize the product in the market and wants to make the consumer aware about what new is there in the market by the brand, so at that introductory stage advertising becomes very important. That is the reason in the very first stage of product life cycle, that is the introductory stage or the introduction stage, promotional activities are higher, and the money spent on these promotional activities by the organization, that expenditure or the budget for promotional activities is again higher at the introduction stage, right? Because this is a stage when your product is very new in the market and you need to promote it, you need to make the consumer aware, right? So for that you need to promote, right? So a very important aspect of promotion is advertising. You need to give ads, repeatedly ads, and you need to spend money on that, right? So if the ad of any concerned product or service or any idea which you want to float in the market is done correctly at the right time and at right place through proper significant media platforms within a particular time constraint, then all this can result in attracting lot of customers, right? So customer traffic can be attracted by giving attractive ads at the right time, at right place, with proper products, services and ideas, right? And advertising also helps to capture the market and increase sales of an advertiser. Now we come to the second important point of advertising, that is, it is a source of revenue. See, when we give ads, the advertising agencies, they take money from the marketer or from the organization for which they are going to give the ad, right? So advertising, for advertising agency giving ads through different media platforms, it is a source of revenue, because they will charge the company for giving ads based on the platform, based on the type of ad, based on the time of ad, at what platform, what kind of ad is being given. All these categories are seen, and a charge is taken from the marketer or from the organization. So this charge becomes the source of revenue for the advertising company or the advertising agency, right? So advertising is a primary source of revenue for the publishers through different mass media platforms. Like we talk about, different charges are there for if you are giving an ad for newspapers, if you are giving an ad on TV, on radio, on different magazines, the websites, right? So the charges vary, right? The input cost involved in processing any valuable information is usually higher than the selling price of, right? A publisher's expense rise. Why does this agency charges? Because this agency needs to gather the information, do some kind of research in the market before giving ad of a particular product or service. Information has to be collected, then that information has to be processed with a particular team, research has to be done, some kind of professional writing, editing, right, proofreading before publishing the ad or printing the ad or giving the ad on digital platforms. So all these activities includes cost of a publisher, right? It pays publisher their input cost, and in return, so the marketer who is wanting to give ads, they give the publisher the cost for the ad to be given or published on different mass media platforms, and in return the publisher gives the ad of the marketer on whatever suitable or appropriate media platforms will be there to attract the customer traffic, right? Now we come to the third importance of advertising, that is sales promotion. So advertising is very important, and it is mainly done to promote the sales of goods and services, ideas, or announcing some kind of upcoming events, right? So it helps a lot to the companies or the organizations for doing promotion, right? So promotion can be done of consumer goods through ads, like consumer goods like cosmetics, electronics, eatables, stationery, jewelry, textiles, etc. Services can also be advertised, like banking, insurance, hospitality, air travel, consultancy, healthcare, education industries, right? So these service providers can also give ads. Then I have also tried to quote example here, like an entrepreneur who encourages the general public to invest in his business ideas. These kinds of ads can also be given. So these ads would be called as some kind of having some kind of ideas behind these ads, right? Now when we talk about the ads related to some kind of event or the upcoming event, then during festival seasons or some gatherings, like some exhibition is going to be there or some kind of ceremony, right? Some kind of summit is there, some rallies are going to be conducted. So all these events can also be given through ads to make the customer aware or to invite the customer. Now we come to the fourth importance of advertising, that is, it helps in increasing the sales. So advertising spark an interest in the minds of the consumer, right? So different ads are given for products and services or ideas in bulk, and can in bulk attract the customers, right? So interests can be created, and based on the interest, demand becomes higher. When the demand is higher, the customer will come to buy a product, and when customer will come to buy a product, definitely it will put an impact on the sales, that will be enhanced or increased, right? So that's how advertising helps in increasing the sales. Now we come to, it also helps in maximizing the profits for the organization. So advertising also helps in increasing sales and control the cost incurred by the advertiser. It also helps to widen the gap between the sales and the actual incurred cost by the marketer. With maximizing sales and lowering the cost, the profit on an advertiser can grow. Since the sale is increasing, right, the cost is decreasing, but due to sales the profit margin will also increase, right? Now we talk about the sixth importance of advertising, that is it helps in making the consumer aware about what is actually there in the market, or newly introduced, or what old has been improved or made advanced, or some kind of innovation has been done, or new technology is there in the market. So all this important information can be given to the consumer, right, by making the consumer aware through different ads, right? So advertising creates awareness by informing the consumers. So awareness among the consumers about the availability of any particular product or service in the market. It also helps in conveying the customers that why an advertised product or service is better than alternatives. Like, so when you give the ad of your particular product, of your brand, you can also tell that how your product is different from your competitors, right, or what different your product has, or what are the USPs. You can always show the USPs, that is the unique selling points can be used, which will automatically differ your product from others or your competitors, right? Then information can also be given through ads to the consumers, like it helps to inform the consumers like about various features of the product, the benefits, the price, right? So this is how consumer awareness can be done through advertising. Now when we talk about, it helps in educating the society, right? Like some kinds of ads can be are usually given. We often listen to the ads on radio, or we see on TV some kind of like we hear Jan Hit Mein Jari. So what is that? Some kind of ads are given to make the people aware, to make the public aware, right? Like some ads related to polio drops, or AIDS awareness, and family planning, right? Then how to save water and electricity, why it is important. Then educating children, especially educating girl child, right? Then abolishing child labor in the country, then providing a right kind of nutrition to the mother and the newborn baby. Why all these aspects are important. So all the ads given in public interest related to these ads are very important, because these behind the motive behind giving these types of ads of public interest is just to educate the society, right? So ads are given on a media platform which hits every section of the society, right, and which will help to educate every section of the society. So therefore governments and even some kind of NGOs, that is non-government organizations, often take helps of ads to reach and educate people on some important relevant social issues. Now we come to the 8th point, that is advertising art, science and profession. When we talk about all these three terms, as an art, yes, because advertising needs creative skills. As a science, because it depends on systematic and scientific planning. As a profession, it's a work of a professional agency, advertising agency, who do the business of giving ads by following certain business ethics or codes of conduct. So this is how we can say that advertising is art, science and profession. So that's all about from my side related the topic related to the introduction, meaning and definition of advertisement, why ads are important, and we have covered all the important points which make advertising important. We'll be covering the next topics of this unit in the following lecture. Till then, thank you and take care.